into cos m theta plus sin m theta. So here if we differentiate the power, we get m into r power m minus 1. Then we must differentiate r also. R is dr by d theta equal to a power m is constant. Cos m theta is minus sin m theta into m plus sin is cos m theta into m. If we divide m, we get r power m minus 1 into dr by d theta equal to a power m into cos m theta minus sin m theta. Now we modify this one, we write it as dr by d theta equal to a power m dividing by r power m minus 1 into cos m theta minus sin m theta. 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square into 1 plus 1 by r square into dr by d theta whole square. So 1 by r square into 1 plus 1 by r square into dr by d theta is nothing but a power m. So we square this one, a power 2m dividing by this one, we get r power 2m minus 2, and here we must write the square for this one, cos m theta minus sin m theta whole square. So here 1 by r square, let it be as it is. Here we multiply the r square inside, so that we get a power 2m in the numerator into, we expand this one, a minus b whole square, cos square m theta plus sin square m theta minus 2 times sin m theta into cos m theta dividing by, here if we add the power, we get r power 2m. So remember this one, I am adding the power, r power 2m minus 2, here plus 2, power is added, we get r power 2m. So here r power m, we have the value for r power m. R power m is nothing but the given question. We can write it as I am taking the LCM here, r power 2m plus a power 2m into cos square theta plus sin square m theta is 1 minus 2 sin m theta into cos m theta dividing by r power 2m. Now r power 2m is that it is nothing but r power m whole square. So remember this one, so 1 by r square, I am substituting r power m. R power m is nothing but a power m into cos m theta plus sin m theta whole square. This is given polar curve plus a power 2m into 1 minus 2 sin m theta into cos m theta dividing by r power 2m. We apply the a plus b whole square. So here we must apply for all the term. So here 1 dividing by r power 2m plus 2. So I am adding the denominator, and numerator we get a power 2m into cos square m theta plus sin square m theta plus 2 times sin m theta into cos m theta. Here we have plus a power 2m into 1 minus 2 times sin m theta into cos m theta. See, this become 1 and here a power 2m is common. A power 2m is common, dividing by r power 2m plus 2 equal to 1 by p square. This become 1. Here these 2 and these 2 we can cancel directly. Here 1 is left out, so 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So here we can simplify this one. Say I am writing p square, that is reciprocaling this one, r power m plus 1 whole power 2 dividing by 2 into a power m square. So if we take the square root, we can write it as p equal to r power m plus 1 dividing by 2 into a power m. This is the answer. Sorry, here square root of 2. Find the Padel equation. Padel equation for the polar curve r power n equal to a power n into sine n theta. We differentiate this one. N into r power n minus 1 into r is dr by d theta equal to a power n is constant, sine is cos n theta into n. N get cancelled. Dr by d theta equal to a power n into cos n theta. And r power n minus 1, bring it to right hand side, we get r power n minus 1. So I am trying the alternative method. 1 by r cot phi equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta, that is 1 by r into a power n into cos n theta dividing by r power n minus 1. It is nothing but a power n into cos n theta. So here power r power n. So here we have the curve r power n is nothing but a power n into sine n theta. So we get this as cot n theta. So here phi equal to n theta. So we have the Padel equation, p equal to r sine phi, r into sine phi is nothing but n theta. So we must modify this one. The given curve is nothing but r power n into equal to a power n into sine n theta. Sine n theta can be written as r power n dividing by a power n. So here p equal to r power n plus 1 dividing by a power n. So this is the answer. We can solve like this also, or put in 1 by p square equal to 1 by r square of 1 plus 1 by r into dr by d theta square. So here 1 by r square, we write it as it is 1 plus 1 by r square into dr by d theta. So here we refer the above, dr by d theta is nothing but this one, a power n into cos n theta by r power n minus 1. A power n into cos n theta dividing by r power n minus 1. We square this one. If we square this one, we get 1 plus 1 by r square, and the square of this one is a power 2n into cos power 2n theta dividing by r power 2n minus 2. So here if we add, we get only r power 2n 1 plus a power 2n into cos square n theta dividing by r power 2n is nothing but a power n into sin n theta whole square. This is nothing but given curve. So it is nothing but given curve. Now 1 by r square, I am taking the LCM here, a power 2n into sin square n theta plus a power 2n into cos square n theta dividing by r power 2n. So here if we take a power 2n, we get sin square n theta plus cos square n theta dividing by r power 2n plus 2. This is nothing but 1 by p square. We can write it this as p square a power 2n equal to r power 2n plus 2, or else if we take the square root of this one, square root p into a power n equal to r power n plus 1.